In this lesson, we'll cover importing our detail views. So let's say you saved your detail views from another project out to a master Revit file, because those Revit views, or detail views, can be used over and over again, because they're typicals. So how do we get them now into our current Revit project? Well, looking at our current Revit project, if we scroll down in the project browser to drafting views, you can see we have some drafting views already. But let's say we want to insert in another footing section view that's more detailed or more zoomed in. It's called footing section 2. So how do we insert those in? Let's go to the Insert tab on your ribbon. On the Insert tab in the Import panel, there's a drop-down for Insert from File. Here, we're going to choose Insert Views from File. When you do that, you'll probably open up to the default library for Revit, but simply browse to the C drive. On the C drive to the folder where you stored these files, Learning Revit Structure 2015, then to Chapter 14. In Chapter 14, there's a file called Master Details. Select it and choose Open. This will then display all of the details, including different views, schedules, and sheets you could insert into this current project. So not only can you save views, but you can also save schedules and sheets that you could insert in. The one we want, though, is the second one, the drafting view of the footing section 2. Go ahead and check mark it. And you can check mark as many as you want. However, some of these already exist within this view or within this project, so you can't bring them in because you'd be technically duplicating them, and it won't allow you to do that. So select the second view, Drafting View, Footing Section 2. Click OK. This will then insert in that section view, and I can see it now in my project browser. So as a review, in this lesson, we talked about importing our drafting detail views. We talked about first creating a Revit file that had all of our standard or default section views, our typicals, and then being able to insert those into other projects like this one. To do that, we went to the Insert tab, Insert View from File, selected our master file, then chose the view we wanted to insert in, and simply clicked OK.